Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful apartment in Blender. So let's get started. First of all we need to create the walls as a base mesh. So let's hop into Blender, just open a new file and don't forget to save it. So they hit the floor plan into Behance page without dimensions, but we don't need 100% accurate dimensions in this project because that's our project, that isn't a client project. So I'm gonna get our floor plan and just drag and drop into Blender. Make sure to set it to default. It's supposed to be exactly in origin point. So we don't have the 100% no dimension of the interior. I found something similar to this window, so we are gonna use that as our reference. You can basically just scale it and try to match it by hand. As I said, it doesn't matter because it's our project. It isn't a client project. If that was a client project, I'm pretty sure they are gonna provide you some real floor plan from AutoCAD with dimensions. And then you can basically delete the window. We don't need it at this point. We are gonna get a simple plane. Just drag it. Go to the top view. We don't need these vertices. I'm just gonna extrude this vertex. Don't forget to leave space for interior walls, because we are gonna use these later. We basically only need interior part of the walls. We don't need exteriors except window openings. And if you want to equalize this vertex with the opposite vertex, you can just click Shift Tab, make sure you snap on the edge, and then hit G, hit X, and you can make both in the same level. So all of it is done, but as you can see, these vertexes isn't connected. When everything is done, hit Ctrl L and hit M and hit merge by distance. That way these are connected and you don't have to worry about them. Just before extruding the walls, make sure to delete window openings and doors because we don't need them. When all of it is done, click Ctrl L and extrude it by 4 meters. Hit Object, Set Origin and Origin to Geometry, and make sure your scale is right. If it is not, apply your scale. So basically we got our walls. I'm gonna bring back the windows into the scene. Just move it by hand. Make sure it's exact same level with our windows. Just delete all of them. Click Ctrl R to create edge loops. I'm gonna bridge edge loops. You can just check statics and you can see our model has almost 60,000 triangles. So if we use Shift D to duplicate it, it's gonna go up to 120, but we don't want it because these are gonna be exact same models. So we are gonna duplicate it with Alt D. At this point, I don't really mind if that's a little into the wall because it doesn't affect anything. And we can move that wall a bit to the left as well. Make sure to create one edge loop to this part. And you can look at this part as well. And bridge edge loops. After that point, we don't need floor plan for a while, so you can hide it. And then add mesh plane. Make sure that it's not exactly on the edge because sometimes light comes inside from these edges and it doesn't look really good. We don't need these and these parts because we are gonna use array modifier to create them easily. Just make sure to apply your scale and your origin. I'm gonna choose modifier and click modifier and I'm gonna add array. If you don't know where the array is, you can just search it. So that is the wrong direction as you can see. So we're gonna add minus to x offset. And I'm gonna add one more array modifier. I'm gonna add 0. And if you want to make sailing, just take a plane, make it bigger, just move it a little bit. Don't forget not exactly on the edge, a little bit out. And you can go into X-ray. You can cut unnecessary parts. At this point, we don't need our ceiling, so you can hide it. I'm gonna teach you how to do that arch doorway. First of all, we need to get a circle. Before moving it, just make sure it has more vertices than usual. That way, your door is gonna be smooth. Rotate it 90 degrees. Make it smaller. I'm gonna need my measure. Make sure to show gizmo. Click this edge and drag it through other edge. It's 1.12 and you can hide it. Get back to your selection mode. I'm gonna make sure it is 1.12 as well. And while you're into snap mode, you gotta snap it into this edge, or you can simply snap it onto face as well. Hit top, go to vertex mode, and we gotta delete half of it. Make sure to apply your scale and set your origin to the geometry. So it's 3.7 meter, but I want it 3.1. So as you can see, there is a bit of gap right there. So I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Nice. Hit tab. Select all of these vertices. Extrude. Make sure to use your snap. And choose these edges as well. Extrude. Click scale. Lock your axis to Z and hit 0. That way all of your edges are even. There is still a bit of gap, so I'm gonna measure that. I'm gonna put exactly same numbers into our scale. And snap to the edge, so that way we don't have gaps anymore. So don't forget to use your auto smooth to get rid of these flat surfaces. You can add an loop cut and get rid of this part of the walls. Select both of your models and join our nav doorway to the walls, and then click M, merge by distance, so that way you don't have to worry about glitches or other stuffs. There is a lot of different ways to create these arch doorways, but it doesn't really matters. In that video, I showed you guys how to create base mesh of our interior. Hope you liked it. See you in the next episode.